Hello everybody, I have these solar light up flowers for you guys. Let's install them and check them out. This is everything it comes with. Here is the box, the flowers, poles, stakes, and then the manual. They are different colors. They do light up. I'll show you here in a sec what they look like in the nighttime. And they each have their own little solar pack in the back here, which is really, really cool. And then you just turn it on in the back here just like this, and you can actually flip these up or down so you can get it to face the sun however you want it, which is really cool. And yeah, you can turn it on, off, or flash, which is really cool. So it's really easy just to stick in the ground, and it's nice and firm, and they look really, really cool. So yeah, overall really good quality. Let's check them out in the nighttime. So here's what they look like in the nighttime. Looks really, really cool. Lights up the area a little bit. Looks very interesting. Yeah, overall, I think they look pretty sweet. Definitely check them out for yourself, guys, and pick one up.